Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So I just came back from work and I'm like, let me apply for island visitors visa, island tourist visa. And I'm like, okay, maybe I should make a recording because one way or the other, somebody would ask me, I have to be answering questions. Maybe if you guys see my pictures in Ireland, you'll start asking questions like, how did you make the application? So I'm like, okay, maybe I should just record, and if possible, I'll just upload the video to help somebody. So yes, I don't know how long the application is. Of course, I'm going to record my screen, but I'm starting. I already read everything about the visa, the documents and everything. So I'm going to be recording my screen. I have a meeting in an hour 30 minutes. So I don't know how long the application will take. And if I'm not able to complete it at a sitting, I would try and maybe record my screen and do a voiceover next time, just in case I don't want to show my face. So yeah, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, you're very welcome. My name is Couscous. This is the Get Ahead family. Here I share opportunities on how to travel abroad through job and through studies. Today's video, I'm going to be sharing information on how to apply for island tourist visa. So the very first thing, let me just record my screen. So I'm here on the website. The website is irishimmigration.ie. That's the website, irishimmigration.ie, and I've navigated up to the point of applying for the tourist visa. The visa is called a short stay sea visit visa, tourist in brackets. So I've read through how to apply. So this is the apply for Irish visa. Okay, so we are here. Welcome to our AVATS online application facility. This online visa pre-clearance application facility is available worldwide and must be used by all applicants for an Irish visa pre-clearance. The technology guides you through the visa pre-clearance application process step by step. Alright, so before you even go ahead to make the application, you have to first check that you need a visa. I've already checked that. And yes, I do need a visa. Before you apply, all questions within this online application are in English and must be answered in English. Help tips will be available in certain fields. You must select the correct application type and answer all questions truthfully, or your application may be refused. You will need to print a summary of your application form as part of this process. You will therefore need the ability to print from the computer on which you complete your application. We recommend you have the following information to hand: your passport and details of any previous passport, details of any previous Irish visa, pre-clearance application and details of any previous visa refusals from any country, details of any previous criminal convictions or pending charges, contact details for your host in Ireland or your sponsor, itinerary. During the application process, you can save your application, exit the online form, and return later to complete it within 30 days. So the application will be open for 30 days and you have to complete. You can save it and come back later, but you have to complete it within 30 days of starting the application. So you have to click that you acknowledge that you've gone through everything and you acknowledge. So they said here the instructions will differ depending on which country you are applying from. You see? I am sure that I'm not going to finish this application in this sitting because visa applications, you have to be very careful and you have to take your time. So this is the second page. Country of nationality, Nigeria. What is the reason for your travel? It has to be tourism. Okay? Visit tourist. Exactly. Yes, we are tourists. Short stay, sea. What type of visa? I already went through the 90 days visa is short stay, sea. What type of visa pre-clearance are you applying for? Short stay. In fact, they already automatically selected it. Note, the system will select the appropriate option if there is only one option, based on your reply to what is the reason for your travel. So because I already said visit tourist, they already selected short stay for me. Journey type. I want to apply for multiple. So single journey visa will allow you to travel to Ireland on one occasion only within the dates shown on your visa. Multiple journey visa will allow you to travel to Ireland on multiple occasions within the dates shown on your visa. We are applying for short stay, but I want to apply for multiple. Yes, it's better. The system will select the appropriate option if there is only one option, okay? Purpose of travel: tourism. If you have chosen other, please briefly outline your reason for travel. Well, I chose visit tourist, so the purpose here is tourism. Passport type: a government official passport, internationally recognized travel document. Yes, that's what we have. Passport travel document number. I'm gonna put my number. So they're asking for passport details. Passport travel document number. Proposed date you wish to enter and leave Ireland. If you are applying for a short stay visa, you must enter the date which you propose to leave Ireland. If you are applying for a long stay visa pre-clearance, you might not have a proposed date of departure. If not, you may leave this land. So because you are applying for short stay, so you always have to save every page before you proceed, so that whenever you come back, you can start from where you stopped. Date of birth: 090. Your gender, your country of birth, current location. Please select the country where you live now. Ireland does not appear on this list as you cannot apply for an Irish visa while in Ireland. You may need to apply for a re-entry visa. If you're already in Ireland, you can't apply for Irish visa. It has to be a re-entry visa. Current address: a post office address is not acceptable, so put your current address. Current address where you live, your contact phone number, and your email address. Always use the email address that you can be reached on. Please provide the phone number at which a visa officer may contact you during daytime working hours. So save. Alright. Your application is held online for a period of 30 days. During this period, it can be retrieved back anytime using the transaction number provided below. Length of residence in present country. Do you have permission to return to that country after you stay in Ireland? So you have to put the length of residence in the country you are currently staying. Do you have permission to return to that country after you stay in Ireland? Yes. Have you applied for an Irish visa pre-clearance before? No, I've not. Have you ever been issued with an Irish visa before? No. Please provide the location, transaction number, and year of issue. That's if you have ever been issued a visa. Have you ever been refused an Irish visa? No. If you have been refused before, you provide details. Have you ever been in Ireland before? No. If you have ever entered Ireland at any time in the past, whether legally or illegally, you must answer yes to this question. I've never entered Ireland. Do you have family members in Ireland? No. This includes extended family members such as aunt, uncle, cousins, grandparents. I don't have. Have you ever been refused permission to enter Ireland before? No. Have you ever been notified of a deportation order to leave Ireland? No. Have you ever been refused a visa to another country? No. Have you ever been refused entry to, deported from, overstayed permission in, or were otherwise required to leave? I have not though. If yes to any of the above, please give details. Have you any criminal convictions in any country? No. I am clean. I'm clean as a clean slate. Very clean. Passport travel document number already provided. Type of travel document already provided. Issuing authority, country or organization which issued the passport. Who is the issuing authority of this thing? Federal Republic of Nigeria. Date of issue. You provide the date of issue of your passport. Date of expiry. Is this your first passport? Yes, so this is actually my first passport. Are you currently employed in your country of residence? Yes. If yes, please supply the following details. Current employer. You have to provide your employer details. Okay? Provide your employer details. What is the duration of employment? Position held. You have to supply all your details. What is your work address? Oluwao. Are you currently a student in your country of residence? I'm not a student though. Employer's phone number. Okay, these are not work address. So the work address is mandatory, but employer's phone and employer's email is not mandatory. So I'm definitely not going to provide that, because why? Why will I do that? Why? It's not that serious. Your employer address is very important. I'm even going to provide postcode. Make you no be say I not give people full details. I give you people full details. We're gonna save that. Will you be traveling with any other person? I'm going alone. I'm a lone ranger. I came alone to this world. So yes, I'm traveling alone. Will you be traveling with any other person? Business, colleague, family? If you're traveling with another person, you say yes. So me, I did on my own. Always save every page. Save and continue, because visa applications are long. Contact details for contact host in Ireland. No be by force now. If you are applying for a short stay tourist visa, please give accommodation name and address. If you are applying for any other short stay visa, you must fill out the contact details of your reference in Ireland in this section. If you are applying for a long stay visa pre-clearance, you must fill out the contact details of your reference in Ireland in this section. Well, I'm applying for short stay, so I'm going to booking.com to find accommodation. I beg, cannot stress myself. I'm going to look for accommodation that I can afford for that day. Where are you going? Let's say Dublin. I'm showing you guys how to book accommodation now, and usually here they do book and hold and even free cancellation, so it is easy for you to actually just make a booking, and then even if you want to cancel, you can cancel. We're going to look for accommodation now. I beg. Yay! 5 nights of accommodation. I beg, let me go and filter. I don't like stress. Set your budget, set your own budget. I made a video with a live session with one of my colleagues, Hawa, who is literally a traveler. She has traveled throughout Europe. She gave options on how to get cheap accommodations. So if you don't want to stay in a hotel, you can stay in like a hostel where it's less expensive. So I've seen an accommodation here, only 6 beds left at this price. I've seen an accommodation here that is £16 for 6 days. What you have to know is that you are going to show a financial proof that you can sustain yourself throughout your period of travel. So whatever accommodation you end up selecting, it has to be something you can afford. So I've seen one here, 5 nights, 1 adult for 278. The review no too good like that. 5.7, whatever. Solo travelers like this location. Okay, I need a book and hold. I don't want to pay any money. Free cancellation, no prepayment. Good. This one you can pay at the property, and it's even normal room, double bed. Exactly, that's what I was talking about. I'm the main guest. Free cancellation until so and so day. Almost 2 days to travel, you can cancel. 1 guest. Add travel insurance. How much is okay? Travel insurance is 26, so I'm gonna add £26 just in case they need it in the application. Add your estimated arrival time. I don't know. Leave me. Yes. We're making progress. Yes. We're making progress. Yes. My address. They're asking for a current address, and then your phone number is compulsory, obviously. Alright, pay part now. No. They said no prepayment required. So they're saying today you will pay £26. Okay, that's the travel insurance. It's the travel insurance that they are charging me today. So what's going to happen is I'm not going to add that travel insurance. If they really need travel insurance, I will come back and pay for it. But I don't want to pay for travel insurance when I am yet to have a visa. But if they ask for travel insurance, I will come back and pay. I have to go and remove that travel insurance because the aim is not to pay any money right now. I beg, I don't remove the insurance, not by force. They say at the property you will pay, this is the full amount, you pay at the property. You don't even have to pay before. See? Okay, but you still have to supply your card details, but your card won't be charged. We only need your card details to guarantee your booking. Yes, I've done this before. They didn't charge my card. They won't charge your card. Myself and my friends, we've done it before. They didn't charge our card. If they say they won't charge your card, trust me, they won't charge your card. I've booked and I've supplied my card details, but they will not charge my card. So the essence of this booking is so I have information for my accommodation on the visa. They have sent me email containing my booking details. You see? Thanks, Kuseme. Your booking in Dublin is confirmed. Aberdeen Lodge is expecting you on 26 May. You can cancel for free. Use the link below to easily modify your cancel. You see, you can cancel. You pay when you stay at the lodge. That's you pay so I can come and cancel here. So these are the details that I need so that I can make this booking. So I just need the address. Okay, I got the address. So let's go and fill it in. This is the application. These people locked me out. My goodness. Thank God I saved my application. See now, because I was looking for accommodation, they locked me out. Now they're asking for transaction reference number. If I did not record my screen, then all my effort would have been in vain. Thank God that I was recording my screen. So I just stopped the screen recording and I went to get the number. So my dear, once you start and they show you that transaction number, just screenshot it, because I hate, visa applications are very stressful. It's something you have to take your time to do. I already said if I cannot complete it today, we'll continue next time. Is the contact host in Ireland personally known to you? I say no, because it's a hotel. If you are applying for a short stay tourist visa, please give accommodation name and address. Okay, this is accommodation name is, that's the name of the place I booked. Personal status, I am single. Is your spouse partner traveling with you? I don't have a spouse. See, this website is not even funny because it's stressing me out. Please enter number of children. I don't have children now. Did you receive any assistance in completing this form from an agency? No. Omo, we don't reach. Be like we don't finish because we're already in declaration. Jesus, we're in declaration and we are going to submit. Oluwa, you must now read the declaration below and tick the box to confirm this. An application for a person under the age of 18 should be completed by the parent or guardian. Click here to print your detailed application form to retain your own copy. Literally, this is the application. So, I hereby apply for a visa pre-clearance to travel to Ireland. The information I have given is complete and is true to the best of my knowledge. You read the declaration. Let me read this declaration. You may be required to provide your biometric information before my application will be processed. So you tick the box. By ticking the box, I hereby agree to all the above details. So before you submit, you have to go ahead and go through the application to ensure that everything is correct. That's what I want to do now. Confirm that your details are correct. So I'm done going through the application. I'm going to submit, but please ensure that you go through everything and then you tick. By ticking the box, I hereby agree. Ensure that all the information you provide is correct. Because when I was going through, I saw a bit of errors, mistakes, typos. I had to go back to correct it. So click here to print your application because you're going to submit this application during biometrics. So you have to print it. I want to click first to print so that, because I don't know what's going to happen when I submit, because these people, their application is not that friendly. The application site. I've saved that so I can conveniently submit. Thank you. Your online application has been submitted to the Irish Embassy Consular Visa Office shown below. You should now print and sign the summary sheet and check the website listed for details of how to submit this with your supporting documents. Your application will only be held online for 30 days. Therefore, your documents need to be submitted to the relevant office within this 30-day period. During this time, you can retrieve and print your summary sheet again if necessary using the transaction number provided below. It is no longer possible for you to make any changes to your online application at this stage. If you do not submit your signed summary sheet and all your supporting documentation to the relevant Irish Embassy, Consulate or Visa Office within the next 30 days, your application will be deemed withdrawn. You will then need to complete a new application. View and print summary sheet. So this is the summary sheet. Please keep a copy of this summary sheet should you ever wish to contact the embassy in regard to your application. Please note the address, contact details of the Irish Embassy Consulate Visa Office to which your application has been sent. Visa Office, Embassy of Ireland, United Kingdom. Email. This is the website. Please check above website for details of where you should now submit the following documentation together with the relevant fee. Almost document, printed and signed application summary sheet, the one I'm going to print, original passport, passport size color photograph, evidence of payment of the visa fee unless you are fee exempt, supporting document for relevant visa category, if you are applying for the visas offices in Abuja, blah blah blah, London, please check the relevant website for any additional local requirements. All supporting documentation must be in English. So the supporting document is, they ask for, I'll probably show you guys later, if you're visiting family or friends, a letter from them showing that they are inviting you. Then another supporting document they will need, I think, financial proof. That's like proof of funds to show that you are sponsoring yourself. Or if it's another person that is sponsoring the trip, that person has to also provide a sponsorship letter. Then your passport and all of that. I'm just going to screenshot this page because I don't trust these people. What they did to me just minutes ago. Anything can happen. This is the summary sheet. Not valid for travel. This is the summary sheet that has the document details. It has your details here. Please note the address. This is the address. Okay, the address is here. London Visa Office. Okay. So this is the summary sheet. You're going to print and sign this sheet. So I'm going to save it. Click here to print. No, let me click the printed version. So you're going to print and sign this sheet. Okay, this is the summary sheet that you're going to submit. Wait, I beg, save as PDF. No, nothing should stress me. This application is already stressing me out. So you save. This is the visa summary sheet that you print and sign when going for. Please check above website for details of where you should now submit the following. So let's go to the website to see what's up. Ireland in Great Britain, passport online. This one is if you're applying for passport. Contact embassy. Where is it? This is the address, Grosvenor Place, London. Okay, this is the address, passport and visa information. Passport and visa office. Oh, okay. The passport and visa office is in another place. Wahala. How do I navigate now about Ireland? Okay. Services. Anything wey concern visa, it is stressful. Advice for travel to Britain visas. Traveling to Ireland